Yeah, so there's a few things I'll touch on. I just think it's impossible to answer this question without starting with AI, given the hype that exists at the moment. And just to kind of echo what Ollie said, we are at the absolute peak of the hype cycle, the peak of inflated expectations, I think they call it. And I think we need to be very careful. There's lots of very sensible use cases, lots of different sectors for things like ChatGPT. But a lot of the decisions we're making in KYC AML are often bet the company. And am I ready to trust an AI model with very limited transparency at the moment to take those kind of bet the company decisions or feed into them? Not really. I think we need to consider what proportionate use looks like, what proper governance looks like as well. And look, a really nice quote on that, Tom Chatfield quote, is forget artificial intelligence. In the brave new world of big data, it's artificial idiocy we should be looking for.
Very good.
And I think that's crucial. It goes back to the data point. AI models are trained on a data set, and I'd be very cautious of anything where you can't see the underlying data set and the quality of the information that it's being fed on. Where I think it clearly has a role, I would move from artificial intelligence to augmented intelligence. So how can we augment existing processes with AI to create productivity benefit on what we're doing at the moment? And I think I am seeing some really nice examples, things like transaction monitoring. I think there's a really good case study there about exploring the use of AI to create alerts. Even Kyckr, we're starting to use artificial intelligence to look at extracting data from registry documents and training models to do that. But the risk is very low with that. And there's an error rate when a human does that in the same way there might be when an AI model is trained on it. So I think it's about looking for ways we can augment existing processes. Can I see any horizon where we feed an individual name or a business name into an AI model and it spits out a risk rating? No, I think we're years away from that for a number of different reasons.